In this video, I'm going to show you how to add sound to your image target when you use Vuforia. So when you try to create a simple augmented reality app, you can possibly add different soundbite for different image target. And I'm going to show you how you can do that using Vuforia. So first I'm going to create a new project. I'm going to use 2019.4 and I'll name it as audio Vuforia example. Okay. And create. And while waiting for this, what I'm going to do, I'm going to try to find some soundbite that I have. Let's see. Oh, this is newer one, and I probably have some soundbite here. So there's one. Oops. Okay, there's one, and there's two. So this is something I downloaded from online, and they're copyright free. So I'm going to use that. Okay, so this is what I have. So you should know how to do this by now. What I'm going to do, I'm going to add the Vuforia package to create to use the Vuforia. So if you remember, you can go to Vuforia developer site. So Vuforia like package for Unity. I'm going to do that, and this one right over here. Okay. What I'm going to do, okay, not this one. Okay, Vuforia engine developer portal, and I'm going to go to downloads, and this one right over here. This is a packet. Okay. And I agree, and I'm going to have this one. Okay, and now I'm going to drag this into my asset and import everything. And update. Okay, so now it's done. What I'm going to do, I'm going to go to game object, Vuforia engine, and first I'm going to add AR camera. And first I'm going to test my camera. So when you do that, the reason why I'm doing this is I want to see my AR camera works. So as you can see, my camera preview now is actually trying to show me what you're supposed to see through this main camera. Okay, so game, now the blank, meaning now because of this AR camera actually is override this main camera. Okay, so I'm going to click play, and now okay, what is going to happen here is there are two audio listeners in the scene. Please ensure there's always exactly one audio listener in the scene. So basically, the reason why I got that kind of warning is because main camera has audio listener and AR camera has audio listener. So one thing you can do, you can either turn main camera off, or at this point, we know that we're not going to use main camera for at least for this scene. So I'm going to get rid of it. So air camera, clear, and when you play, you're not going to see that warning anymore. So there's no warning anymore. Okay, and now what I'm going to do, I'm going to look at the AR camera, and then I'm going to add image target. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to name it as image target 1. Okay. And then there's many different ways to do this, but one way I'm going to do is this one. First, I'm going to add, I'm going to use from database for the image target behavior. So import, and now Vuforia Mars images, astronaut. And then here there is default trackable event handler, okay? And then on target found and on target lost. So basically what I can do is, okay, this is what I can do. I'm going to go to AR camera, okay? And then AR camera, I'm going to add audio source. Audio source. So basically what my logic now is, whenever this one is recognized, I'm going to put a clip into this audio source. Okay, that's what I'm going to do. So to do that, what I'm going to do, I'm going to go to image target, and here, okay, on target found, I have to do, okay, I'm going to add something by clicking plus sign, and here, what I'm going to do, I'm going to drag this AR camera. Okay. And then what's going to happen is, because this AR camera has audio source, now I can actually find audio source. Okay. And then I'm going to choose audio source, audio clip. And then I'm going to put my audio file. So I have two of them. So I'll put here. And then I'm going to drag first one into here. And then event when target is lost, I'm going to click plus to add one behavior. I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to drag AR camera and then function as audio source and stop. And now I realize I embed this clip and I have to actually play this sound. So I'm going to click plus again and do the same thing basically. Drag AR camera and audio source and play. So what's going to happen is whenever this target gets recognized, it will put this MP3 file into this audio source. Okay? And then play. Okay? And whenever it gets lost, it will actually stop playing this soundbite. So I'm going to test this. Okay. So play. Oops. Stop Vuforia engine. Play. Okay. Okay, it plays that sound. Okay, it actually doesn't go away, right? So one thing I realized, this is kind of new feature. I didn't pay attention to this detail before, but here, take a look at this one. Here under default trackable event handler, it says, consider target as visible if its status is tracked or extended tracked. So extended tracked means once it's tracked, okay, even though it's gone, it's considered that extended tracked. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to change this to tracked only. And then what's going to happen is it will go away once the sound will go away once the target is lost. Okay. So it works fine. And now I'm going to do this. I'm going to duplicate this and I will name it as image target 2. And then it should be the same process, but this one, instead of this one, I'm going to put the second MP3 file. And same thing, tracked. Make sure you change this to tracked and play. And Wait, go away. So this one, now it has issue. Oops. Okay, so actually one thing I realized, okay, image target 1 and image target 2, slow motion, and audio clip play, audio source stop, and yeah, stupid me, I forgot to change its image target database. So I have to actually put this one as drone. So now I have two different images, astronaut and drone. And so whenever drone image gets recognized, it will play the second image, second audio file, like this. So second audio file, and goes away. First one. So now, as you can see, you can have like more than two. Basically, this one, how it's designed, especially this one, because I am using only one audio source. Basically, what I'm doing is, whenever these targets are recognized, it just simply plug in different audio clips. So we can actually take a look at this. I'm going to play, and I'm actually selecting this audio AR camera. So you look at this audio clip part here. So what's going to happen if I have this first image target? As you can see, this one right over here, okay? And then it will stop. Okay, it's still here because we didn't change it. But when you use the second image target, it will get changed. So now it got oops. So as you can see, this one got changed to slow motion. And one last time. And you just saw that like this one got changed. And then now actually it kind of stopped because of that glare. It kind of didn't recognize my image that well. But as you can see, this is one way to switch that audio clip depending on what image target gets recognized. Okay, have fun, and if you have any question, just let me know.